then it's not getting warm. Let me plug it in over here.
Not my job, man.
You can get extra for that. All right, there we go. Okay. And let me see. In the meantime, while we're waiting for the glue gun to get warm here, I need two different types of screws. These are number 8 3/8 inch screws. And I'll show you those to you. We're going to need two of those. 1, 2. And I'm going to need some number 8 3/4 inch screws, which I know I have some in this package, but I thought I had an open package on here somewhere. Okay, I guess not. So I'm going to open a new package of these number 8 3/4 inch screws and take two of them out. Meanwhile, get the kitty. Kitty is important.
Kitty,
Yeah.
come here, baby. Come here, little
Okay.
girl.
Back to the screws. Two of these 1/8 inch 3/4 inch screws. And now we should be getting some heat from this plastic gun. And yeah. Okay, so are you ready? Can you see what I'm doing here?
Mm-hmm.
I'm taking 4 different areas, one which is raised there, this is raised, and this is raised here. And I'm gonna put glue right in those areas so that I can glue this thing. Here we go. 1. I need a new plastic.
Sometimes you gotta give that a little push.
Okay. There we go. 4 blobs. Blop. 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 Okay. And then while the while the plastic is still warm, I bring this thing and fit it centrally. And then I put pressure on it for like 30 seconds. On all the areas that I did that. So it's 30 seconds. I guess I will start to sing.
Sing, baby.
Oh, sole mio, strong fontape. No sole mio, strong fontape. Oh sole mio. Is it 30 seconds yet? Yes, 30 seconds yet. I'm just singing.
Marvelous.
I'm just singing to make sure that the neighbor doesn't mind the drilling that's about to happen here. Our upstairs neighbors. They're very kind, actually. Okay, now, so you can see that this is now glued as a support, but what we want to do is screw it in so it'll be a real good support on this other side. So that's what I'm going to be using these screws for. And they're both number 8 screws. These are the 3/4 inch and these are the 3/8 inch. All right, so first I'm going to insert the 3/4 inch on the vertical. I go right to where it touches, basically touches here. You want to come around, honey, and can you film it from over there? You can walk around. walk around over here and back so they can see what I'm doing. Okay. Can you see what I'm doing?
Yep.
Okay. There's one. And then right where it's touching. Alrighty. Now I screw in these verticals. Phillips head screwdriver, Phillips head screw. And I screw it in fairly tight to this material here. 2 more holes right at the point where this thing is touching most tightly. We'll screw a hole in right there and right over there, which is right basically through the glue that we put on too. Alrighty. Can you see what I'm doing, babe?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now this is our new single tier, which will be stackable. It's got strength on this side, so as you can see, I can now push down without these supports going out, unlike this unmodified copy. So these will be used for both the experimental and controls, and possibly throughout much of the tower, or much of the structure that we build. As you can see, both these screws came through, but they're not as high as this edging, and you can see both the screws over here, and basically this is a much more stable type structure. Did you get it? Okay, I guess that's it. We can stop then. I don't know how to do that. Do you know how to do it? Hit record again.